This or can be like this. So thank you very much for reminding me the judo. Thank you. Judo is, as you know, not just sports. It's like kendo, chado, sado, kado. We put the word do when I call the name of the sports and other things. Because it's not just sports, it also has something mentally or egoist. So today I witnessed that after training for Kemi and others, students had a moment of silence for 30 seconds or so, and tranquilized themselves, then finished the training. That is a judo. The way of judo. So I really admire you all that you are following such traditions deeply rooted in Japan. But also I believe that this is a common cultural thing between Japan and India. India has such a mental recognition in sports and other things. So I believe that that's why judo has been growing in Uttar Pradesh, India, here like this. So I'm very grateful. And lastly, I heard that India may be running for the Olympic and Paralympic Games in 2036. Yes. If that's the case, I believe that you will have more medalists in the Olympic and Paralympic Games. So now children are maybe 10 years old or 13 years old also, but by 2036, perhaps it's the best age for the medalists. So I wish you all the best in the judo. Thank you very much today.